Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. MXP signing here again for another video. Today we're meeting for the unboxing and the review of the DJI Avata filters from KNF Concept. These are ND filters and also UV and CPL filters. So we're gonna unbox them and compare them to the DJI filters for DJI Avata. All we need is a knife to remove the plastic protection down here. The box is pretty big compared to the one from DJI. By the way, if you've not already saw my comparison about the DJI filters, here is the link to watch it. KF Concepts provides a great packaging for the filters. I've already tested one from Mini 3 Pro and the box is very solid, quite heavy, but the foam is from pretty good quality. One thing I think it's missing is just the something to clean the filters like I did for the DJI one. Basically you have, as said, just a UV filter, then you have the polarization one. Everything is written on it, so it's quite easy to watch and to see what you need. I think so we get from ND4 to ND32. Here is the ND4, so everything is written here, and you just have to take it very quickly from here, from the box. Let's have already my Avata down here. So what you just need to do is, like I did for the DJI one, take the filter, just you want, plug it on here. There is no clipping. You can't see you can't hear a click here when plugging into your onto your lens, but everything is still pretty firm. And the filter seems to attach very firmly. You just have to remove it this way. I don't think there is any side to plug it first, or any better way to plug it. So the filter is on it, and I'm gonna test it right away. Here is the CPL filter, so you will see, I do like a lot saturation and a lot of colors, so we're gonna see the impact it has on a shot made with the Avata, and we're gonna also compare all the filters and the LD filter from the whole collection from 4 to 32, and we're also gonna test the UV just to be sure and to prove the use of the ND filter. Just to compare, so here are the DJI filters, which are only going for ND8 to ND32. I think the ND4 is gonna be pretty interesting things, mostly in low light conditions. The Avata sensor is quite sometimes adding a lot of grain and a lot of noise is in the shots, but I think ND4 and ND8 are gonna be my main filters I'm gonna use, except when I'm in plain light, so I will have to switch on to another one, and of course the CPL for the better colors. So that just here's a side-by-side comparison. Let's compare here both NDA filters. So the one from DJI, which is here, seems a bit bigger. These ones are thinner, so that's going to be better for the weight, of course. The Avata will still be under 249 grams, which is particularly important here in Europe, and especially in France. Both of them seems to have same quality, Maybe the one from KF is a bit brighter, but I think this one is a bit dirty, so I will have to check. Here, side-by-side comparison. So I'm gonna put them right into their box, and let's go directly into a spot just to compare them. So I'm back. You can see the fog all around me and the beautiful light coming, and we're gonna test the filters, and I'm gonna plug each one on my DJI Avata, and we're gonna see immediately how things are working and how the steps are working. If you already saw my previous video on the DJI filters, it's nothing new, but I would just want to show you how things are working when you had an ND stop and you lock your shutter speed, ISO, and the white balance. So as you can see here, the image is strictly and really overexposed. We're gonna add some filters. So first, let's try the UV filter. So here is the impact on the UV filter. Let's remove it. I'm gonna add now the polarization. So here it is. What's different from the DJI one is that you don't have the click when plugging in on, so you can see here the impact of the polarization. Now let's move to ND4. So here is the ND4. The click is very subtle, so the image starts to be a bit better. Now ND8. Now let's move to ND16. And now the final one, the ND32. Now let's compare the 32 with the 32 filter from DJI. So as you heard, maybe the click is more present when plugging the DJI one. Can you spot any difference between the one from K&F and the one from DJI? Tell me in the comments down below. So you saw the impact of the filters. Now let's fly very quickly. I hope the fog will not ruin the shots, but with the CPL filter and the best settings made on the DJI Avata.
So as you saw, regarding the price, you get really great quality using the KNF concept filters, and you have the filter from 8 to 32, the ND stops, and you also have more the ND4 and the CPL filter and the UV filter. So basically, I think that's a smarter choice and a better choice for now. And I will update you with the quality of the filter as long as I have tested them. If you want to purchase them, please use the link down below. It's going to support me. Thanks again, KNF and Consem, for trusting me on this review. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe, turn on the bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you do like my content, please subscribe here on my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, and follow me on Instagram to see all the content you can make with drone. Stay tuned.